What up, nomads? If your travel plans this summer include a friend or family member's wedding, you might be wondering how to pack so that you look great as a wedding guest, but also have loads of outfits and options for the rest of your vacation. Ready for my tips? Let's go. If you're extending a destination wedding trip into a mini vacation, you'll want every piece that you pack to really pull its weight, including your wedding look. Now, this is where people who aren't wearing a suit win out, because you have way more versatility to make whatever you wear to the wedding casual enough for a lot more outfit combinations. Let's start with your main wedding look. Depending on the wedding culture, the location, the time of year, your wedding guest outfit can be so many different things. If it's a morning wedding, a little dress and jacket combination might be very chic. If it's a beach wedding, a casual short dress might be appropriate. Understanding the weather and the vibe will be key here. Now, I rarely advocate for one and done outfits in a travel capsule, but a wedding dress to wear to a wedding might be the exception. If chosen wisely, this item can actually be a super versatile dress or even a nice jumpsuit. A slip dress, for example, can be dressed up or dressed down. A dress with a cute bottom part can be worn under another top for more versatility, or you can choose a dress that has an outside part and a liner and wear them separately, like in these really old photos from a wedding I attended several years ago. A skirt and top combination is also a great way to build a wedding appropriate look, but to use those separates that will serve you for other outfits on the rest of your trip. For an even bigger impact, pick two separates that together look like a dress. I see these everywhere online now, and not only does it give you more options to mix and match your items, it also allows you to pick different sizes if, like me, you're a different size on top than on bottom. I'm like a 2 or a 4 on top and more of a 6 on the bottom, so often I have to have my dresses altered so they fit me correctly. I don't need to do that if I can pick different sizes for the top and bottom. If you're packing your wedding outfit into a carry-on, remember to check out my video on how to pack formal wear. I share tips on using garment bags, bringing a steamer, and how to pick fabrics that pack really well in a formal setting. One thing I've seen a lot lately is the use of the plissé fabric or crinkly fabric, where the texture of folds and wrinkles is intentional and built into the look of the dress, which, to be honest, is so great for travel because you don't have to worry quite so much about steaming the outfit and therefore saving having to pack a steamer. Now for shoes, I recommend having fun. Make them bright. If the wedding you're attending is just one of the many activities planned during your trip, you'll have to think about whether packing heels is worth your luggage space. You could choose a lower, more comfortable heel that you can wear for the rest of your trip, or even go as far as choosing a bejeweled flat or sandal. So many weddings are being held outside nowadays, which can give you more freedom to wear comfortable footwear. The fun thing about footwear is that you can add so much personality that way. Don't be afraid to use footwear to add a pop of color. I actually feel like this is what makes an outfit look more particularly fashion forward than just choosing another pair of strappy sandals, especially uncomfortable ones. Just remember that a trip is not the time to break in a new pair of shoes. In general, accessories are really where you can play up your look, and they take up basically no space. So get some big earrings, a cocktail ring, or a bold necklace. These are instant game changers for an outfit. Are you wondering about your purse? I'd say the same thing. This is where you can bring something with a little bit more personality. And typically, if it's a clutch, you can pack it flat. If you really want to err on the side of practicality, pack a small purse with removable straps so you can wear it as a clutch and then as a crossbody for the rest of your trip. Now that you have your wedding look secured, think about other activities, whether that's part of the wedding festivities or part of the rest of your vacation. Are you invited to the rehearsal dinner, for example? Then a cute skirt and a chill top, or a going out top and a pair of jeans could all work really well as appropriate outfits. Next, round out your looks with the other items that you need to make more outfits. Jeans, shorts, t-shirts, sweaters, bathing suit. Try on different looks to figure out how to style your must-pack items that you've landed on for the wedding activities, and then find combinations that make the most of them. Have fun with it, try stuff on, put together outfit combinations, and you'll end up with a great packing list full of versatile looks. For more packing tips, check out my other videos to help you make the best packing decisions for your trip. Happy travels! Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!